Come up and insert the needle into fabric stitch length away. Pull the needle down, leaving a loop. Come up inside the loop stitch length away in the middle and pull the needle all the way up. Finish the stitch going down stitch length away. And repeat. Come up on the left and higher than the last stitch ended. Make a stitch to the side, leaving a loop. Come up through the hole where you ended the vertical stitch, pull the thread all the way up and go down, making short vertical stitch. Placement is everything. Make stitches shorter, longer, having a bigger angle, and the branch will look slightly different. And you can finish branch with a small straight stitch. Make a short stitch. Come up through the first hole and make a stitch to the left. And make a stitch to the right from the same hole. Repeat. Start like you're making a fly stitch. Make a short stitch, leaving a loop. Come up inside the loop and pull the thread all the way up, and start over. Make a stitch, leave a loop. Alternate the stitches to the right and to the left. To finish the stitch, go down into the same hole, wrapping the thread. You can alternate making 2 stitches to the left and then 2 stitches to the right. Come up and go down near the entry hole. Leave a loop. Come up inside the loop and you made a chain stitch. Next, go down making a short stitch. Come up stitch lengths away. Come down into the nearby hole, leave a loop. Come through the hole where you ended the previous stitch and inside the loop, pull the needle up. Make short stitch. and repeat. To finish the stitch, come down into the same hole, wrapping the thread. Slightly change the angles and it looks just like a branch. Make a stitch and come up in the middle of it. Slide the needle under the thread twice. Do not go through fabric. Repeat. Make a stitch and come up in the middle. Slide the needle under the thread twice. To finish, make a short stitch. It's like the feather stitch, but with different placement. Starts as usual, horizontal stitch, leave a loop. Come up in the middle and make the second stitch to the left, finishing on the same height as the first one. And the third stitch to the left, also on the same height. Do the same 3 stitches to the right. In the perfect world, the middle line should be straight. Mine is wobbly, and it's okay too. To finish stitch, go down into the same hole, wrapping the thread. Check out more stitches for the flowers and leaves. Hit the like and subscribe if you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video!